December 13, 2021. What started as a routine trespassing complaint would quickly spiral into a chaotic arrest filled with resistance, physical confrontation, and repeated warnings that went completely ignored. By the time it was over, a woman who could have walked away with a simple trespass charge was instead facing multiple criminal offenses, all because of the choices she made after police arrived.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities, sir.
Okay, you're talking just fine. Let's talk normal. What's your first name?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna go. I'm sorry.
No, you're going to tell us your first name.
No, I'm not, sir. I'm sorry.
We can do this easy way, hard way. It's up to you.
What's the film?
We're trying to find out who
What
you
is
are.
your first name, my lady?
We're trying to make sure you're safe and find out who you are real quick, okay? If you don't have any warrants or anything like that, then we're good. But I need to get your first name and all that information, okay?
I just woke up and I have deep sleep,
I
so
got
I'm
you.
just not interested in doing that.
Understandable, but this ain't a bedroom.
Oh, okay, I'm going to walk to my bedroom.
Where's your bedroom?
No, I'm not interested in telling anybody right now. I just woke up from sleep.
Uh-huh.
What's your first name?
I'm not going to give out any names.
What's that?
I'm not going to give out any names, sir. I'm so sorry.
Well, you're not free to leave right now.
Okay, then.
So let's begin with your first name because are you familiar with what resisting is? If you don't give me your information, that is what we call resisting.
Yes, sir.
So what is your first name, young lady?
I don't know.
Open up your purse and give me your ID.
I don't have one. I don't have one, sir.
You don't have one?
No, I actually have to get my ID back today.
From where?
My girlfriend's house, allegedly.
Okay, then give my officer your first name.
No, thank you.
Huh?
No, thank you.
No, give him it now. Or we're gonna go in cuffs and we're gonna walk downstairs and I'll find out who you are later. You said she's been trespassed before by officers and everything? You got the case number?
Yes, sir. I was just contacting my supervisor, and it looks like her too.
Okay. 602 dispatch.
Okay, no, thank you, sir.
Say what?
I said, okay, no, thank you, sir.
Police responded to a public lounge after receiving reports that a woman had returned to the property despite already being trespassed from the location before. When officers arrived, they found her calmly sitting inside and began what should have been a straightforward investigation. The officers asked for something simple, her name or a valid ID so they could confirm her identity. Instead of cooperating, she repeatedly refused to answer even the most basic questions, insisting she wasn't required to identify herself. At first, the officers remained patient. They explained that they only needed to verify who she was and determine whether she had any outstanding warrants or additional issues. Had she cooperated, the encounter could have ended much differently. But she continued refusing every request. When officers warned that refusing to identify herself could lead to further legal consequences, she still declined to cooperate. She claimed her ID was somewhere else and repeatedly answered every request with another refusal. As officers confirmed that she had previously been trespassed from the property, the investigation became more serious. They informed her that she was being temporarily detained while they determined her identity. Instead of remaining seated, she attempted to walk away. The officers immediately stopped her, explaining that she was not free to leave. But she continued pulling away, questioning why she was being detained while ignoring repeated commands to sit back down. Within seconds, the situation escalated.
Here. Put her on the ground. Instead of cutting her on this. Lady, would you stop?
Seriously?
Can we catch real quick?
I just have to pee. Can I please pee?
You just kicked me?
Can I pee? I'm wondering how many good stuff. I'm scared if I can use the restroom. Sir, will you walk me to the restroom?
You're under
That's
arrest.
definitely not happening.
So she doesn't try to slip them.
Stop
Now you're
kicking
going
me.
to jail for
Stop
freaking
kicking
battery
me.
on LEO.
Double up in here.
That's that one.
Let go of me!
Stop. Stop.
Stop kicking and stop squirming.
I just want to use the restroom.
755 dispatch, we at 1715. Stop kicking!
Let me use the restroom.
You will when you get to go to jail.
Sure. Please stop. Please. Get your hands off my ass. Please get your hands off of my ass. Please!
Hey, Sarge,
Can
if
put
you
your
got a
hands off my
hobble,
ass?
or if somebody else wants to come here with a hobble, she's like kicking us and everything too.
Please get your hands off of my ass. Please. Please. Stop. Please just let me use the restroom. That's all I ask. Holy shit.
Stop kicking, okay?
I just want to use the restroom. That's all I'm asking. What is wrong? What did I do?
Well, you're under arrest for trespassing. You're under arrest for battery on LEO now. We're gonna just have you write a statement too about the previous incident, and then was that?
Let me use the restroom.
Yeah, I
Let me
appreciate
use
it.
the restroom. Seriously.
Yes, sir. No worries.
Please let me use the restroom.
Yeah, no worries, sir. We appreciate it.
Please stop.
Stop.
Just we'll just.
Can you get off of me?
No,
Why?
because you're kicking us. And
Because you're on me.
Because you're resisting us.
No, I'm asking if I can do something. Will you walk me?
No,
I'm not resisting.
you are resisting.
What?
Why am I going to trust you now when you didn't do what we asked the first time?
What did you ask?
To stop kicking us, then what'd you do? Keep kicking us.
You're
I
pathetic.
asked you to
Okay.
sit down. You wouldn't sit
Get off
down.
of me. Get off of me.
Relax.
Get off of me.
Stop. Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop hitting your head.
Restroom.
Stop hitting your head into
Get
things.
off of me. You're hurting me so badly. Get off of me.
I can get him down.
Please get off of me.
They didn't say they're going to order your office.
Where's my going?
Stop.
You have no fucking clue what this is. Let go of me. Holy shit, bro. Please.
After several warnings, officers moved to place her in handcuffs. Rather than complying, she physically resisted, pulling her arms away and refusing to be restrained. The struggle intensified as officers repeatedly ordered her to stop resisting. She continued fighting their attempts to gain control, forcing them to use additional physical restraint. Even after reaching the ground, the resistance didn't stop. She kicked at officers, twisted her body, and repeatedly demanded to use the restroom. While officers acknowledged her request, they made it clear that her immediate resistance had to end before anything else could happen safely. During the struggle, officers reported that she kicked and scratched them, turning what began as a trespassing investigation into an alleged assault on law enforcement. The officers continued giving verbal commands, asking her to stop fighting so they could safely complete the arrest. Instead, she continued struggling, yelling, and attempting to pull away while officers worked to prevent injuries to everyone involved. As the confrontation continued, officers eventually managed to fully restrain her and carry her outside toward the patrol vehicle. Even then, they continued warning her not to kick, spit, or resist any further.
Yeah.
Somebody's trying to get
I'll put it here.
whatever that is.
Shit.
You're hurting me so bad.
Alright, my hands are on your back, you see?
Please let me use the restroom.
Just stop, miss.
Please stop. Ew, ew. Oh my god. Get him off of me.
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you want to do it?
Make sure you grab her by underneath her by her shoulders and everything.
You're not
Do
biting.
not try to bite him.
This.
No, you're under arrest.
This.
For what?
Like,
For what?
go underneath her. Yeah,
What am I under arrest for is what I'm asking.
on this one?
For what?
Shoulder.
For where?
Like this right here.
What am I trespassing?
Underneath here. Okay. He's gonna get your legs. Okay.
So gross.
You get that, son?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this?
Because you can't behave, right?
All I asked is to go to the restroom. You guys are the most disgusting.
Yeah.
You're hurting my ankles. Can I please walk?
Sorry.
Why are you arresting me like this? It hurts. What did I
You have a flashlight too?
Yeah, he's got the flashlight.
Cool.
I fucking hate it here. Can you carry me differently? Do you have any idea what you're doing to my body?
Here, go down the knee.
Can you please carry me differently?
Can you walk like?
Yeah, I can walk if he doesn't put me in
Okay,
that.
no.
Stop.
You keep spitting, you're not gonna get a chance. You understand? Don't spit on him. Stop.
It's on my knees.
By the end of the incident, what started as a simple trespassing complaint had grown into a far more serious criminal case. Autumn was ultimately charged with trespassing an occupied structure, resisting an officer with violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. Sometimes, the biggest consequences don't come from the original accusation, they come from the decisions made after police arrive.